Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Shamsullah from Tajikistan. Is it halal to get money from installing internet, Wi-Fi in homes and businesses? As far as earning income by installing Wi-Fi in homes, and is it permitted? It's permitted. Wi-Fi per se, it is halal. So if you're making a living by installing Wi-Fi in homes and businesses, it's perfectly fine, unless you're installing in a place which you know is haram place, that's a different thing. That if you know that by installing a Wi-Fi in a particular, maybe a cinema in which they are going to see movies, etc., of course that's not allowed. But per se, installing generally Wi-Fi at homes and businesses and making a living out of it, it is perfectly fine, it is halal, and it is permitted to take salary, and the salary becomes halal.